الحمدللہ رب العالمین الصلاة والسلام علی خاتم النبیین وعلی آلہ وصحبہ اجمعین اما بعد فاعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم قال اللہ تعالی فی سورة ہود فقال الملأ الذين كفروا من قومه ما نراك إلا بشرا مثلنا وما نراك اتبعك إلا الذين هم أراذلنا بادي الرأي وما نرى لكم علينا من فضل بل نظنكم كاذبين. Translation. But the chiefs of the unbelievers in his nation said, "Do we not see you more except a man mortal like us, and we do not see your followers except those who are the lowest among us, whose opinion is not mature nor considered. We do not see any superiority in you over us. Rather, we think that you are a liar." In the previous ayahs, we studied that Prophet Nuh alayhi salam told his nation that I am a Rasul, I am a warner from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and you must worship only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and do not worship any deity except him, and I fear for you the punishment of a painful day. When the leaders and chieftains of his nation listened to this invitation, they denied him. And they said that being a common man in our society, we do not see any specific reason that Allah gave you the prophethood. We see that you are a human like us. You are not an angel of the sky who will have some effect and everyone will be following and accepting someone sent by Allah. Also in our society, we see that you do not have a lot of wealth, you do not have any high status or position in the society, and those people who believed you are the lowest in our society. We don't even like to sit with them because our status is so high, and these people are so low in their status, and most of them, they are belonging from the laborer class. If you compare yourself to us, we are superior than you. We have more wealth, we have more position, and we have higher status than you. So how come you were chosen to be the prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and none of us were chosen for this high status job? Also, these people who are low in the social status, also low in their intellect and intelligence, and they have believed you just instinctively and they did not ponder or think about it. If they have pondered and they have thought it deeply, they would have not brought Iman on you. And these people are low status and low intellect, so they were not capable of assessing the situation rightly. As a matter of fact, we are thinking that this is a trick that you guys all are doing, and these low status people have joined you so that you can start a new revolution, and once you are successful, you will get the status in this world. So this was kind of a summary that the chieftains of Nuh alayhi salam's nation said to Nuh alayhi salam. Wallahu alam. One point should be understood, that when a prophet of Allah comes to a nation and gives the da'wah of Tawheed and oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the people who have high status in that society fear that if we accept this invitation, we will lose our high status and maybe we will lose our wealth and our position in the society. So even if their hearts testifies that the invitation is right, they would deny that just to avoid the worldly losses that may come with acceptance of the invitation. Allah open our hearts. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.